In this video I'm going to show you how to combine data from multiple sheets into one master tab for Google Sheets. As you can see, I have two data sheets and we've got a product with a name, some quantities, some prices and things like that. And if you would like to display these data into one master sheet. So as you can see, we have two example sheets with some data, some prices, names and product names. And also in the second sheet we've got some different products and pricings which we would like to import into the master sheet. So the next step is to of course select the first cell, and here we will enter a custom formula to display the data of the other sheets into this master tab. So what we will do, we will enter the equal sign, then a opening curly bracket, then you will select the name, so that will be example 1 for the first sheet, an exclamation mark, and then we will select the range of the data. So if I will open this sheet, then you will see we need to enter this data range, so that will be A2 till E2, and we will enter that in our master sheet. So if I open the sheet again, then we will enter the following formula. We will enter A2 till E2, and then we will separate it with the next sheet which we are going to do. So we will use this sign, and as you can see we can do the same for the first and the second sheet. So we will select example 2 and then an exclamation mark. We will enter the range of the data, that will be the same as the first one, A2 till E2, and then we will close with a curly bracket. And now if I enter this formula, the data of the other sheets, of the other tabs, will be visible in this master tab. So we will enter it, and as you can see we have successfully entered the data of the first sheet over here and the data of the second sheet over here. We can check it. As you can see, it is correctly with the first one, and also the data of the first sheet is correctly with the first row. And this is how you basically combine data from multiple sheets to one master tab for Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!